my name is Alexandra Tucker, and I am the founder and CEO of COVID Environmental. COVID Environmental is a professional cleaning company offering services to commercial and residential properties. Not only do we offer regular and routine cleanings, we are also a coronavirus mitigation company. Given these crazy trying times that we're all trying to navigate right now, I wanted to create a company that not only cares and understands what's happening, I wanted to build a powerhouse to battle it. So using EPA and CDC approved products, every customer will have the peace of mind knowing that their homes, offices, schools, gyms, really any environment is safe. We have equipment that can sanitize and disinfect large areas. So for example, a school and an office building is going to be the perfect location for that. One of our biggest advantages is going to be where we're located in South Jersey. Not only do we have all the customers that are here, but we can also move into Pennsylvania and Delaware. Having such a large customer base is going to add to the success of this company, and I have big goals. So I want to thank our backers in advance for realizing the potential of this company as much as I do and helping to create healthy, safe environments. So thanks.